Hello, Coraline. Wait, what? No. So today hey, my pandas, little pandas. Yuck. Today I am gonna give myself a new look where I look so very cool. Oh yeah. Look at my annoying messages. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go to the beauty clinic. Obviously. Wait, no. I'm gonna click on myself because I have a lot of eyeballs and stuff. First I'll give me. Be quiet! First I'll give it. This dude is angry because of Fortnite. So first I'll give myself some new eyes. I usually go with this one because it's cooler. These are my first eyeballs. Ew. That's when I got VIP. I had a VIP still. And that's me right now. Oh, let's go with these eyes. I don't really like them. Heh. And then I'm gonna choose one of these. It looks like I never slept before. Let's get these. Actually, these are not my first eyes. My first eyes were something different. They were like brown eyes. This is my first nose. Okay, so let's pick that. Actually, I should just stay with this one. Which one should I pick? I'm gonna choose a new outfit. I don't really like the red lips with, yeah. So I'm gonna choose another. I'm gonna choose this. I have like 2 skin colors. Okay, I think I should go with that. I look like Michael Jackson right here. Oh, look, I woke up. By the way, my sister gave me these. I'm joking. I don't have a sister. My cousin gave them to me. Let's start with hair because I always start with hair. Okay, I'll just go with that. Let's check out some other cool ones. That's pretty good. Let's just put these on, random stuff, and see what comes out. Okay, I don't like that thing on my face. It's actually cute. Okay, let's just stick with that choker. Or this necklace. I used to have those pom-pom, that pom-pom, I forgot what it's called, but the pom-pom hairband. Yes! Boom, chocolate. I used to have it, but then someone hacked me and then they took them. They were pretty! Oh, that's cute. Okay, that's cute. Now time for the outfit and then shoes. Aw, that's cute. What the heck? Ew, what? All night, summer, spend like other, yeah. Was a crush. Let's go to my... I have a lot of shirts because I've been here since 2017. I'm gonna go until it stops. Oh, did I say hair? Well, if I accidentally said hair, then I meant to say some outfit. Okay. Wow. That's actually pretty cute. I used to think that was cute. No, it is not. Oh no, it was this. Well, it's not cute, hun. Need bunches of oats. Those glasses are tiny. That's actually pretty cute. But I don't like the color. This looks like it doesn't have straps. Okay, I'm starting. Let's see my first shoes. I don't really have a lot of shoes, but I know I have, like, some shoes. You see? I still have duckies? that's cool. I never knew that. These are obviously my first shoes. I think that's cute, but this also. Okay, wait. Whoa. I didn't know I used to have these shoes. Mayonnaise! Buy potatoes. No, not potatoes. Buy pandas.